Cancer is at epidemic proportions in North America. In the West, 1 in 4 will die of cancer. Despite the billions of dollars spent on cancer research, no medical prevention or cure for all types of cancer has yet been developed. It is imperative that we create the anti-cancer body. So what is the anti-cancer body? It is a body that is vibrant and healthy. It is a body that can vigorously resist and fight cancer effectively. And it is a body that resists all kinds of chronic disease. The fact is, everyone has defective cells in their body. But as long as the immune system is working well, white blood cells locate and kill aberrant cells before they can multiply into a tumor or other form of cancer. There are factors that can activate or inhibit white blood cell activity. The list on the left: inhibit. They include Western diet, emotions of persistent anger or despair, social isolation, denial of one's identity, sedentary lifestyle, and toxicity. The list on the right: activate. They include Mediterranean, Indian, or Asian cuisine, joy and happiness, support from friends and family, acceptance of self, regular exercise, and detoxification. Inflammation is a process that is natural in the body, but high levels of inflammation can stimulate growth of cancer. There are 2 markers of inflammation: C-reactive protein and albumin. The values on the slide determine medium risk, moderate risk, and high risk for cancer and metastasis. In the 1960s, a medical doctor, Judith Volkmann, came up with a theory of connecting angiogenesis and cancer. Angiogenesis is the formation of new blood vessels. He felt that microtumors can't grow into dangerous cancers without creating a new network of blood vessels to feed them. To do so, they produce a substance called angiogenin that forces existing vessels to approach them and to sprout new branches. The new tumor cells are dangerous only when they're able to attract new blood vessels. Primary tumors create metastases, but prevent these new growths from getting too big by producing a substance called angiostatin that blocks the growth of new vessels. Over the last 70 years, we've seen an explosion in the rates of cancer. And we've seen some changes in our environment that coincide with this increase in cancer. Here are some major disruptors of our environment. They include the addition of large quantities of refined sugars to our diet, changes in the method of farming and raising animals, so changing our food, the introduction of large numbers of chemical products that did not exist prior to 1940. The Western diet is composed of 3 sources of foods that are detrimental to our health: refined sugars, bleached flour, vegetable oils. These weaken the immune system, they can cause inflammation, and they can stimulate growth of cancer. There are a myriad of toxins in our environment. They can be found in our food, air, water, and even in our homes. For example, perchloroethylene and tetrachloroethylene can be found in dry, clean clothes. Aluminum in antiperspirants or cookware. Phthalates and parabens in perfumes, shampoos, cosmetic lotions, gels, hair dyes, nail polish, and sunscreens. Plastics in water bottles. pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides in the home or on foods. Cleaning products like detergents, toilet bowl cleaners, tile cleaners, disinfectants, and so on. And finally, there is another insidious source of toxins, electromagnetic radiation from cell phones, cordless phones, and wireless internet.